police try to stop us, but get what, we're gonna come together and stop them. We're gonna stop them from aggravating us. We ain't out here selling weed, goddamn robbing.
We don't sell it.
Goddamn. We ain't kicking in no doors. We ain't doing nothing.
We don't commit robberies.
Man, the only thing we doing is committing gas in the car, gasoline. I'm not worried about none of them things. I want to say, what, we gonna come together.
That's one.
Yes, sir.
We shall reunite.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Tell you what? Yeah, you said it right. You said it right.
You got the fastest.
I bet. So I'm going to go ahead and ask you, so how I feel to be $10,000 richer?
Man, we finna see. We finna see.
Why you got this slow boat hood open? You know my cat the fastest.
Yeah, what? Cut the whole motherfucker off, man.
Boy, I like seeing a ghost right here.
Ooh.
You!
I ain't got no more storage, so if you're a real nigga, let me get your SD card.
Damn, that shit was
But you
loud.
know it's like walls on both sides.
That
so
bitch
that's
sound like
it.
a cannon.
You know you loud, bro.
God. Shit.
Hey, man. We know you loud.
I gave it to him. Look at them shoes, motherfucker white. He gave them to me last night, and
Yo.
the bitch is still white.
Yo.
Y'all niggas ready to fight?
Yo.
So we keep the crowd hype.
Yo.
And every time the niggas wanna battle rap, it's like a motherfucker fight.
All right, go ahead.
As y'all can see right now, we at court for some charges that are trying to pin on me. Somebody didn't do, but we're here to get this thrown out and get it situated. And right now we're in Fayetteville, I think. But they must say God did. God gonna handle the business, God gonna handle the situation. Talk to my lawyer if you need anything else.